Have you ever dreamt of making a living playing guitar? And I'm not talking about making some extra money here or there. I'm talking about making a real living with guitar as your primary source of income. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways that anyone can make a living with guitar that you can start today. And the best part is you don't need anything more than a beginner ability at guitar to make these happen. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'll show you my actual income stats from my guitar-based YouTube channel. So if that sounds good to you, let's go. Okay, so 4 of the 5 methods that I'm going to talk about today involve social media and YouTube. But as you will see in this video, subscriber counts and views don't matter nearly as much as these other aspects I'm going to show you. All right, so method number 1 is one of the easiest ways to make money with the guitar, and that's by making content where you review and test products on YouTube and other social media. And one of the reasons this method is so great is that you don't need much guitar talent to make this one happen. So a lot of channels that make money through this process make commissions from video sponsors or free products that are submitted to them for review. But if you're just beginning your YouTube channel, it's going to be a while before any of these options are available to you. So in order to build up your presence in the beginning, you can start by reviewing your own equipment. Or you can focus on inexpensive budget products from Amazon. These are great because a lot of guitar players don't have a huge budget to spend on, and if you can find some good ones, they can become very popular. Or another way to do it is to buy the more expensive equipment like pedals or amps and resell them through eBay once you're done with your video to recoup some of the costs. So how we're going to make money with this content is we're going to post it to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We can make a long form and short form for YouTube, and we can make short form for the rest. And now, like I said before, you're not going to make a lot of money from views right off the bat. And so the way we're going to make money through this method initially is through affiliate commissions. And an affiliate commission is basically you get a percentage of the product price every time someone buys a product through your content. And there's multiple ways to do this. The first is set up an Amazon Associates account. And so Amazon will provide you a unique link code that you can put in your video. And every time someone clicks on your unique link to buy the product that you're covering in your video, you get a small commission off the total purchase price. In addition, practically all the social media platforms these days offer built-in affiliate options where you can search for products in the app and easily paste it into your video, earning you small commissions every time someone clicks on the link that you provide. Now, most of the social media platforms have thresholds before you can offer this option, usually based on subscriber count or monthly views, but with the right content, you can hit it pretty quickly. And in the meantime, you have your Amazon Associate account to earn you money from the start. One of the best ways to build up a followership quickly is to have your own kind of niche or brand, whether it's your unique personality or creative way to display the products. And method number 2 is very similar to the first method. We're going to create guitar-related content for social media. And the difference here is really how creative you can get with it. There's several accounts that create humorous takes on guitar-related issues. Another option is to create very engaging videos which encourage the viewer to provide feedback or their opinion on a certain subject. A great example of this is my video where I asked the viewer which amp they would pick if they could only choose one for the rest of their life. This video is recently posted. I posted it 4 days ago and it already has 88,000 views. And the key to the success of this video is, as a guitarist, I know that other guitarists are going to be very opinionated on which amps they prefer, and it's going to encourage a lot of comments and debate, which tells the algorithm to push the video further. And one of the great aspects of creating this type of content is you don't need any special skills to do it. In this video, I didn't play a single note on the guitar. And again, this is only one way to approach it. Every individual creator has their own personality and unique take on things, and if you want to build a sustainable long-term channel, bringing your own original viewpoint or creativity to the videos is going to help you build a solid foundation for the future. And we're going to post this type of content again to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we're going to make money through the built-in monetization options in each platform. So most of the social media channels offer multiple built-in monetization options like subscriptions, or they allow your viewers to offer you gifts, stars, or put partner ads in your video. So again, these monetization options are going to take a little bit to build up, but once you get your content dialed in, it can be very easy to hit these targets. And another great way to make money off these are, again, affiliate commissions. So you can do a product placement in your video, or you can create your own branded merch like t-shirts, hats, mugs, and other items that you can feature on your video and channel, where you get a very decent commission off of each sale. And you don't have to design your branded merch for yourself. You can hire someone from Fiverr or Freelancer and have a real graphic designer design your products for you based on your input. Again, with this method, we're going to want to use our own creativity or viewpoint to create a unique brand or niche. And hey, if you're enjoying this content, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the little bell for notifications. It really helps my channel out a lot, and it notifies you when I post new videos like this one. All right, so for method number 3, you could create your own YouTube channel where you document your guitar learning journey. And this is great for people who are just beginning with the guitar. You can create regular content like weekly or bi-weekly videos. This is a great way to help other people who are learning guitars, as you can show them the roadblocks that you hit, resources that you find, and other pitfalls that they should look out for. And people really like to watch this type of content because they get attached to the character, and they love to see authentic struggles and triumphs like the hero's journey in many books. And this one's most likely going to be a slow path to making enough money to live on, but the potential upside is unlimited. And again, we're going to post content to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We're going to monetize the way we talked about before in the other videos through the built-in monetization options and your own branded products which receive commissions. But you can also create additional revenue streams by finding sponsors for your videos, whether it's guitar manufacturers, guitar websites, guitar learning tools, or anything else related. And you can also monetize through your own website or Patreon, which is a great option for super fans of your content who want more than what you're offering for free on social media. All right, so method number 4 is the only method that doesn't necessarily involve social media, although you can use social media to help promote yourself, and that's to teach guitar lessons to beginner children. And this is a little bit more niche and might be good with someone who has a background in education or is really good with kids. Most people who are looking for guitar lessons or guitar instructors are brand new at guitar. And so they don't need someone with the skills of Eddie Van Halen to teach them right off the bat. And the reason you want to focus on beginner kids lessons is you can make up for lack of technical ability with your personality or your ability to make the lessons fun for the child. I know most people are probably thinking, I can't teach lessons, I just began guitar myself. But you can absolutely do this. There's tons of easy resources out there that show you not only how to teach, but the concepts that you want to teach to beginners. I recommend this book, How to Teach Guitar, which is written by a former instructor and tells you everything you need to know and plan for to start your own guitar teaching business. And then as a supplement, this Guitar Theory for Dummies book covers more than enough concepts in a very easy to understand way that you can apply to your lessons. And one thing that's great about this method is you'll have a little bit of a head start on your students and you can progress as they progress, always staying a bit ahead of them. But if they get to the point technically where you're not able to offer them anything anymore, you can reach out to other more technically advanced instructors and offer to refer your more advanced students to them for a small fee. Most instructors are happy to pay a small finder's fee for the access to a new student. And so doing in-person guitar classes, you can make anywhere from $30 to $100 an hour. And if you really want to pack the lessons back to back on a certain day, you can do it at home. Or if you're okay with traveling, you can charge a little higher fee and do the lessons at the client's house. This is a great way to own your own business, have some autonomy, and do something that you love to earn a living. And the last method we're going to talk about today is making social media content that is guitar-related tutorials. And so tutorials or lessons are specific topics that a viewer is going to search out for to figure out how to do something related to the guitar. And this is similar to some of the other methods. We're going to show people how to do things like set up, maintain their guitar, dial in tones, configure pedal boards, and stuff like that. And a good example of a channel like this is Milehouse Studios. Now, the creator behind this channel is a pro luthier, and he focuses on guitar setups, adjustments, and he has a really great personality that he brings to his videos. But you don't need to have that level of technical expertise to be able to make videos like this. You can easily do pedal or amp or guitar setup videos that you research through other YouTube videos or other online resources. And you can test these methods out on your equipment. If you have expensive equipment that you don't want to mess up, you could buy a cheap guitar or cheap amp to test these methods out on before you do a video on them. But for most guitar related stuff, it's not rocket science. You can absolutely do it on your own. Just take a little bit of time to research. Again, we're going to post to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And we're going to monetize the way we talked about before through built-in methods, affiliate revenue, branded merchandise, and sponsorships. And again, this is where you bring your personality and creativity to the content. And then lastly, you could do a combination of all of these methods. My social media focuses on a lot of these different topics, and it really gives you good data to see what works and what doesn't, and what you want to focus more on or less on. And again, regardless of what you do, make sure you have a presence on multiple forms of social media. As you can see, this long form video that I did on YouTube that has 200,000 views has only made $727. And shorts are even worse. This one has 139,000 views and only has about $15 in revenue. So unless you're a monster channel, it's really hard to make a living just off of the income from views on one platform. The best way to make enough money to keep your content going is through posting on multiple channels and monetizing on each one, offering branded merch through either your website or affiliate commissions, and offering additional paid content on a platform like Patreon, or I offer paid guitar courses on my website. So I hope this video shows you some of the ways that you can turn guitar into your primary source of income. And if you're a beginner still looking how to play guitar, check out my beginner guitar course that's up on my website right now. It takes you from scratch all the way up to rock and roll proficiency in 10 easy to follow lessons with some fun songs to learn along the way. And I'll see you guys next time.